Hey everybody, today for our craft we are going to make monster bookmarks, and for this you will need construction paper, 2 or 3 or however many you want of pipe cleaners, some googly eyes. If you don't have googly eyes though, you can just draw them on, a hole punch, and some glue. And a ruler. So you can make your bookmark as wide as you want. I'm going to make it 3 inches. Measure that. Okay. If you don't have construction paper, you can use any kind of paper, it doesn't really matter. Alright, cool. Then we're going to draw a nose. It's going to be a long nose because it's going to be the flap to hold your book, to hold your place in the book. Alright, see something like that. Okay. Then we're going to cut that out. See what I'm doing? I'm not cutting the nose completely out, I'm just cutting it so that it can open, so that it can place the page of the book. Right. When you're done, you should have something like that. So, okay, so then I am going to put my googly eyes on. I actually made my bookmark too small because the googly eyes don't quite fit, so I should have made it wider. It still looks cool though. I'm into it. That's only part 1. Part 2, use your punch, your hole punch, wherever you want, doesn't matter, there's no rules. Then you put the pipe cleaner through. Then you give them some crazy ears or horns or antennas or whatever you want. And voila, there's your bookmark monster. Easy, simple, not too many things you need to do it. Remember, if you don't have googly eyes, you can just draw them on. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time for our next craft.